Have you ever wondered where your Steinjager front tube doors were made? Well, they're made right here in Bushnell, Illinois. Like a lot of our products, they start at Plant 2. Plant 2 is where we do the majority of our tubing fabrication. Speaking of tubing, I bet you didn't know we go through nearly 600 tons of tubing a year. 600 tons? That's equal to 5 blue whales. That's over 500 million jelly beans. That's the equivalent weight of 400,000 human brains. Wrap your mind around that. After the tubing's been received, it heads over to the twin blade shear system, giving us a very high quality cut at a high rate of speed. Tubing cut to length, we can head over to the coping machine. We've got special fixturing over there that allows us to do compound complex coats. Now that we have the cope on the end of them, we can take it over to our CNC bender. Now that the doors are bent and starting to take shape, we need somewhere to put a latch, so let's head over to drill. With the hole for the latch in place, it's now time to head over to the 100-ton press for some press forming. Done with the big press for now, so we can head over to the small press to put the mirror holes in. The only thing we have left to do now is weld. Now that the doors are all welded up, the next stage of the process is up to you. We offer numerous powder coat options that we spray in-house, a texturized bed liner finish. We even have several hydrographic options.
For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.